It begins in a quiet space that most people overlook, a place that feels forgotten, simple, and unchanged for years. Nothing about it suggests possibility at first glance. It is just empty ground, a few hard edges, and the kind of stillness that makes you walk past without a second thought. But every space has a hidden version of itself. Slowly, something shifts, not loudly, not all at once, but in a way that feels intentional. The emptiness starts to take shape, as if the space is remembering what it was meant to become. Lines begin to feel more purposeful, surfaces begin to feel more connected, the atmosphere starts to soften. There is a sense of care in every change, as if each detail is chosen with patience rather than urgency. Nothing feels excessive, nothing feels forced. Instead, everything begins to work together, creating balance where there was once disorder. As time moves forward, the space starts to breathe differently. Light feels warmer, shadows feel softer. Even the air seems calmer, as if it understands the transformation happening around it. What once felt ordinary now begins to feel intentional, almost cinematic in its presence. The most remarkable part is how simple everything remains. There is no need for excess or overwhelming complexity. The beauty comes from harmony, from the way each element supports the next. It is a quiet kind of elegance, one that does not try to impress, but naturally does so anyway. Step by step, the space becomes something new, not just visually, but emotionally. It begins to feel like a place where time slows down, a place where stillness is not empty, but full of meaning, a place that invites you to pause, to breathe, and to exist without distraction. And by the end, what once felt forgotten now feels alive with intention, a complete transformation, not defined by extravagance, but by balance and thoughtfulness. It stands as a reminder that even the simplest beginnings can evolve into something deeply refined. In the end, it was never just about changing a space. It was about revealing what was always possible within it.